Potawatomi Training and the Quartermaster School of the United States Army Combined Arms Support Command partnered to build simulated serious gaming for the 92F10 MOS, Petroleum Supply Specialist. This is in line with TRADOC's 2020 to 2040 learning concept for training and education of the Army's distributed learning program. CASCOM and Potawatomi Training embrace the use of immersive training via virtual environments and serious simulated gaming scenarios to present realistic, expedient, and transportable training to our soldiers. Here is our immersive environment serious game presented via distance learning for CASCOM. It operates in several modes. Tutorial mode. In this mode, players will learn the basics on how to move through the 3D environment and interact with objects. Players will be introduced to using the mouse to look around the world, moving by use of the mouse, or WASD keys, and object use through context-sensitive interaction. The tutorial will also familiarize players with the user interface and menu options. Guided mode. In this mode, players are presented with an objective, then guided by narration through the steps required to complete the objective. Each step in the process is described by the e-mentor and presented in a checklist that appears on screen. Locations the player must visit are clearly marked, as are any items the player must interact with to complete a step. Unguided mode. In this mode, players are given an objective to complete, but free movement is allowed within the environment. E-mentor narrative assistance is disabled, but players retain access to the objective checklist to help them plan their actions. Incorrect actions or correct actions that are performed out of sequence will cause the player's proficiency bar to deplete. If the bar reaches 0 before the objective is met, the scenario will end. Play mode. In this mode, we offer players the largest degree of autonomy and discoverability. Assigned an objective relevant to the equipment, players must make all decisions about which steps to take to accomplish their goals, relying on their knowledge of the equipment, maintenance, and procedure. To add additional challenge, play mode features randomized events. These events can take the form of alternate environments, which can complicate operation and maintenance, or specific equipment faults, which must be diagnosed and dealt with before normal operating procedures can continue. CASCOM and Potawatomi Training worked collaboratively to build serious games, allowing accessibility for current-generation web browsers on both PCs and mobile platforms, enabling classroom and/or field usage. Our partnership highlights the importance for educational training philosophy with reachback training for the 92F10 MOS, allowing the soldier's smooth transition into his or her first Army position as a competent petroleum specialist.